All right, here's the countdown. 10:59:40. The door should try to close at 10 p.m. Sonar is measuring the threshold distance accurately, exactly. That's the perfect measurement with the tape measure. Oh my gosh, right at 10 o'clock. And it didn't get hung up. Perfect the first time. Let's open it and
Stop it, Mommy.
see if it lets me open it. Is it locked? There we go. All right, I'm gonna try to close it and see if it gets stuck when I put my hand in the way. Uh-oh. What happened there? Let's try that again. I did not get stuck. My hand was in the way. Yeah, obstruction. That's whenever I put my hand in the way, the screen should show an obstruction or a distance. Okay, so we're getting something. It's not perfect, but let's close it. All right, worked that time. Should retry on its own without me doing anything. All right, so something's got to really be there. Just gonna retry. Let's let it get started. I'm gonna put a cup there. Let's move it. Let's say the chicken's here. Uh-oh. It's gonna close on the chicken. All right, it'll close on the chicken.
It'll close on the chicken?
Back to the drawing board.